Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Fiction 365. I hope you are doing great. As you are already aware that we have started chapter Biodiversity. In our previous video, we have covered introduction, definition and importance of biodiversity. Today we will cover some aims and principles of classification. Now, dividing living organism on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities is called classification. There are currently around 1.5 million species that have been discovered, and biologists have given them scientific names also. To study such a diverse specs of organism, biologists have classified organism into groups as well as into subgroups. This grouping is called as biological classification. Highlight the important points. Let's study about principles of classification. With the help of morphology, the organisms are divided into two groups. What is homologous? Homologous means when organisms are similar in structure but differ in function. Next group is analogous. Now what does analogous means? When organisms differ in function but have same functions. Let me share some examples. For example, the bones in the front flipper of a whale are homologous to the bones in the human arm, cat as well as bat. They all have same structure but differ in function. How they differ in function? For example, bat uses wings for flying. Whale uses their flippers for swimming. Cat use for walking, running and other different purposes. Human use arms for different tasks. Now check the wings of butterflies and bats. Both wings are different in structure, but their function is similar, and that is of flight. So they all have same internal design. The wings of butterfly and the wings of birds are analogous. Answer this question in comment box. But my dear biologist students, sometimes it's very difficult for biologists to classify organisms by using morphological characters. So then scientists use other tools or characters to classify organisms, which consist of cytology, genetics, and biochemistry. With the help of cytology, plants and animals are classified into different groups. Bacteria is also divided into different groups on the basis of their cellular structure. Organisms are also separated from each other on the basis of their development pattern. Another one is biochemistry, in which chemical substances of organisms are composed, like protein, carbohydrate, lipids. So this was all from today's video. If you have any query or question, write down in comment box. Thank you for watching.